Hi friend, welcome to my channel. It's your boy again, Is Transform. So in this video we are going to solve this issue of Tonya not showing. After we completed the mission, which is father and son, so immediately you're supposed to see a mission across. So there should be a lady appearing in the mission. So a lot of my subscribers have been complaining that you are not seeing the lady which is supposed to appear. So in this video there is a fix that I'm going to share to you guys. So the fix, I'm going to drop it on my Telegram page. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. So after the fix, when you put it the way you are supposed to put it in this video, so you will see that the mission will appear. So let's see after this, after which I have put the fix, you will see the arrow, which is the question mark. So I'm going to drop this fix on my Telegram page. So from there you download. So how are we going to use this fix? It's very simple, guys. So what we are going to do is for us to head on to our file manager. So after which you have completely downloaded the file, which I will drop on my Telegram page, first thing is for you to extract using WinRAR. So and you are going to save those things into your download folder, so or any folder of your choice. So from there you are going to copy these two files. Pay attention, guys, these two files from this. So you copy, make sure you are copying these two files. So you take it back to where you store your GTA 5. So for my case, I store my GTA 5 in my download folder. So from there you are going to see so from there you see update x64 and DLC packs. So from here you are going to paste it. You are going to paste this into this folder. So make sure you paste this into the folder. That is it. You are done with it. So guys, that is it. That is why Tonya is not showing, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. So in this channel we are always keen about anything that is fixable, any solution, be it mobox, be it what's it called, flex emulator, dark os, winlator. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using winlator, guys. So you can see everything is working amazing. So guys, subscribe to my channel and enjoy your game, guys. So if there is anything you want to know in the comment section, guys, we'll solve it together. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching.
gonna come out of JB's wages.
What's your 1020?